Good morning, students. Today I will explaining problems on rotor frequency, that is induction motor chapter. What is the rotor frequency? Already explained the last video, that is Fr equal to S into F. What is Fr? Rotor frequency. Fr equal to slip into frequency. The first problem, a 3-phase 4-pole 400 volts 50 Hz induction motor runs with a slip of 4%. Find the rotor speed and frequency. This is also exam problem, February 2006, 8 marks. Problem is very simple. First write down the given data. P equal to 4, frequency is 50 Hz, slip equal to 4%. First you calculate NS. NS equal to 120 by P. 120 50 by 4, that is 1500 RPM. Next you calculate slip. Slip is already given. Directly calculate N. Percent of slip equal to NS minus N divided by NS into 100. Slip is 4%, NS is 1500, just now calculated, minus N as it is 1500 NS, that is N equal to 1440 RPM, 1440 RPM. Next, easily calculate FR. FR equal to slip into frequency, that is 0.04%, and 0.04 into 50, that is 2 Hz. Okay, next, second problem. A 4-pole 3-phase 50 Hz induction motor runs at a speed of 1470 RPM. Find the synchronous speed and the slip frequency of induced EMF in the rotor under this condition. It's also exam problem 2018 January, 8 marks. Just write down the given data. F equal to 50 Hz, P equal to 4, N equal to 1470 RPM. First you calculate NS 120 by P, 120 50 by 4, that is 1500 RPM. Next you calculate slip. Percent of slip equal to NS minus N divided by NS into 100, 1500 minus 1470, 1500 into 100, that is 2%. Next, FR equal to S into F. Slip is already calculated, 2%, 0.02 into 50, that is 1 Hz. Okay, next, third problem. If 6-pole induction motor supplied from the 3-phase 50 Hz supply, the rotor frequency is 2.3 Hz. Calculate the percent of slip and speed of the motor. Already FR is given. Just you calculate slip and speed of the motor. It's also exam problem. Ask 3 times. February 8, 2008, January 2011, January 2016, 6 marks. P equal to 6, frequency is 50 Hz, FR is 2.3 Hz, NS equal to 120 by P, 120 50 by 6, that is 1000 RPM. First you calculate rotor frequency. FR equal to S into F. Already rotor frequency is given 2.3 as it is. Slip is calculated S as it is into 50. S equal to 2.3 by 50, that is 0.046, that is 4.6%. 4.6% is slip. Next, easily calculate N. N equal to NS 1 minus S. NS is 1000 RPM, just now calculated. 1 minus 0.046. Next, N is 954 RPM, the speed of the motor. Next, problem number 4. The 3-phase 6-pole 50 Hz induction motor has a slip of 1% of no load, 3% is full load. Here the two slip, one is 1% is no load, 3% is full load. Determine synchronous speed, no load of speed, full load speed, frequency of rotor current at standstill, frequency of rotor current at full load. Here 5 data is calculated. January 2014, 5 marks. P equal to 6, frequency is 50 Hz, no load slip is 1%, full load slip is 3%. First you calculate NS. NS equal to 120 by P, that is 120 50 by 6, that is 1000 RPM. Next, no load speed, that is N naught equal to NS 1 minus S naught. NS is 1000 RPM, 1 minus 0.01, because no load slip is 0.01, that is 1%, that is 990 RPM. Next, full load slip. Similarly, no load slip, you calculate full load slip. Full load slip equal to NS 1 minus S naught, that is 0.1000, that is 1, 0.03. Here S naught is nothing, full load slip. 1000, 1 minus 0.03, that is full load slip, that is 970 RPM. Next, as a standstill, rotor frequency FR equal to F, that is 50 Hz. Standstill is as it is, FR equal to F 50 Hz. At a full load, FR equal to S into F, that is 0.03 full load slip into 50, that is 1.5 Hz. Okay, next problem, problem number 5. The frequency of EMF in the stator, the 4-pole induction motor 50 Hz, and that in the rotor 1.5 Hz. What is slip and what speed in the motor is running? This is also exam problem, 2 time asked, December 11, July 15, 6 marks. P equal to 4, frequency is 50, FR is 1.5 Hz, FR equal to S into F. FR is 1.5, S as it is, you calculate S, slip, into 50, S equal to 1.5 50, that is 3%, 0.03. NS is 120 by P, 120 50 by 4, that is 1500 RPM. Next, n equal to ns 1 minus s. 1500 1 minus 0.03, that is n equal to 1455 rpm. Okay, the last problem, sixth problem. The three-phase induction motor with a 4-pole is supplied from an alternator having 6 pole running at 1000 rpm. Calculate. Here the two case, one is alternator and another is induction motor. This also example problem 2016, 6 marks. The synchronous speed of induction motor, its speed of the slip is 4%. The frequency of the rotor EMF and the speed is 600 rpm. First alternator, ns is 120 by p, that is f you calculate 1000 ns into 6 pole 120, that is 50 Hz. Alternator, ns is 1000 rpm. Induction motor pole is for ns. For induction motor, ns is 120 by pm, because induction motor 120 f 120 50 by 4, that is 1500 rpm. Next you calculate n equal to ns minus 1 minus s. 1500 1 minus 0.04, 1440 rpm. Next n equal to 600 rpm already given, that is directly find out s, that is slip. S equal to ns minus n divided by ns. 1500 minus 600, 1500, 0.6%, 0.6. Fr equal to s into f. Slip is 0.6 into 50, that is 30 Hz. Stop the video.